This is Daisy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Okay, this is one of my all-time favorite dances from a long, long time ago when I first started dancing. It's been resurrected down at the club. Super fun, super high energy dance. Uno, dos, tres. Let's learn the steps. Weight begins on the left. I'm gonna rock out on the right and recover at a diagonal on my left foot and do a cross shuffle. Now I'm gonna do the same thing going the other direction. I'm gonna step out on the left, recover at a diagonal going right with another cross shuffle. Now this next section has a few and steps. It's done really fast to the music. I'll show it to you slow. It's step out with the right and together, step out with the left and together, step forward, touch forward on the right, step together, and put your toe back behind you. In the dance, I gotta tell you this, in the dance, you don't have to go through all of that. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Just so you know, it's really quick. After we've got our toe back like this, we're gonna do 2 left kickball changes. Kickball change, kickball change. Weight is on my right. I'm gonna step forward on my left and do a half pivot and step forward on the left. Now the choreography at this part has you left, right, left, right. But the way we learned it a long time ago with this really cool Latin flavor was to bend your knees and get your hips in there, okay? So that's the way I do it, that's the way I teach it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? After that, we're gonna do a shuffle step forward. We're gonna do a rock, recover. Now we're gonna do a 3/4 turn with 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do another rock, recover right here, rock, recover, and end with a coaster step. I'm on my second wall. I'm ready to start the dance again. Okay, let's learn this dance with some counts. Once again, weight belongs on the left when we start. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now here's our really fast part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I teach it like that because it's gonna have to be done like that in the music. But I wanna stop for just a second and let you know that I'm not actually touching down. I'm just kind of throwing my leg out there, okay? All right, so here we are like this. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Facing my new wall, ready to start the dance again. Have fun with it. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.